Are you trying to remember things better? Today, we're comparing two popular tools, Remnote and Anki. Both of these tools help you learn and remember information using flashcards. They make studying easier and more effective. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Remnote. This tool is great for creating flashcards quickly. It allows you to add notes and organize them in a way that makes sense to you. You can even create outlines and link ideas together. It's perfect for students who want to keep everything in one place. Now, let's talk about Anki. Anki is a bit older but still very popular. It focuses on spaced repetition. This means it shows you cards at the right time for better retention. Anki is very customizable, allowing you to design your cards with images, audio, and more. It's great for serious learners who want to dive deep into their subjects. So, what are the main differences? Remnote is more about organization and linking concepts. Anki shines with its spaced repetition and flexibility. When it comes to features, Remnote has a user-friendly interface and offers a free plan. Anki is powerful but can feel a bit complex for beginners. However, both have mobile apps, so you can study on the go. In terms of pricing, Remnote has a free version with options for paid plans. Anki also has a free desktop version, but the mobile app has a one-time fee. In the end, if you want a simple way to organize your notes and flashcards, go for Remnote. If you are looking for a robust tool with advanced features, Anki is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.